Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're far too kind.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's go. Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise.
Get him, Jay.
Who you know fresher than Ho? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can none of y'all mirror me back? Yeah, hear me rap, it's like hearing G rapping his prime. I'm Young H.O., raps Grateful Dead, back to take over the globe, now break bread. I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express, out the country but the blueberries still connect. On the low but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Damn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open in him with no pen? Just draw inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitations of these generations? Hardcore, do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise. Look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? When you first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drop a couple of hits, look how they wave to you. From Marcy to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, we're in the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you. Probably maim you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Sucker, take one for your team, and I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. From record sales, sold out concerts. Shmup, you want this encore? I need you to scream till your lungs get sore.
I'm tired of being what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes.
como un perro a su lado. De lejos me mira que tiene esa tipa mala. Tú quieres de lo mío, ven pues toma y jala. Que ahora mismo te voy a hacer todo en escala. Mami, ven pa' acá y no seas tan descarada.
¿Qué tendrá?
¿Qué lo que?
Con sus ojos me hace temblar. ¿Qué tendrá? ¿Qué tendrá?
Tú lo
Que
sabes.
cuando pasa a mi lado no puedo dejar de mirarla. ¿Qué será lo que tiene que cuando me mira esa mujer?
Yeah.
Se me olvida todo.
¿Qué lo que?
Ella quiere que me vuelva loco. Ella quiere acabar conmigo. Ella quiere ver mi corazón roto. Yo lo coloco, ella lo quita. Ella quiere que me vuelva loco. Ella quiere acabar conmigo. Ella quiere ver mi corazón roto. Yo lo coloco, ella lo quita.
El de los 18 quilates. Mami, me vuelves loco. Caminas y me desenfoco. Está más rica que un arroz con coco. Aunque me encuentre lejos, yo te enfoco. Al son que tú me bailes, yo te toco. Tiene un corazón peligroso. Trata de seducirme con ese tumbo sabroso. Ok, mami, dime lo que hay. Me acerco a saludarte y tú de entrada dices bye.
Parcero, seguimos controlando Colombia, Santo Domingo. Esa tipa es mala, vi, pero como me gusta la condenada.
Ella quiere que yo, ella
Music
quiere que yo,
Factory,
ella
el
quiere
número
que
uno de esta industria.
RJ,
Está claro con eso.
Capellón,
AKK.
Johnson, Dieguito, sigue rompiendo las instrumentales. Este género lo controlamos nosotros. Bloque 809, compadre. No hay pa' nadie.